The engine management warning lights come on in my Land Rover Discovery Sport. So before getting the codes read by dealer at about £150 cost or £60 at a backstreet garage, I'm going to try this Next Peak OBD2 reader. It cost me just £60. Surely it's £60. I'm going to plug it in and we're going to see why the engine management warning lights come on. Last time it come on about 2 years ago was because of the EGR filter getting blocked, which I got changed out of the garage. Would have cost £1,000, but I had it done under warranty just before it went out. I think it's the same issue. I think these Land Rover Discovery Sports have got a issue with the EGR filters getting blocked, and the problem is it's very difficult to change them. They might not cost much. Anyway, let's plug it in and see what we get. See if this is of any use. At least it could save me £60 getting it done at a garage. So let's plug in the Next Peak OBD2 reader and see what code we get. Like I say, I suspect it's going to be EGR, which was last time. Put the light in. So ignition off. Yeah, ignition has to be off. Let's plug it in. Where is it? Where's the socket? Oh, it's come on. Yeah, it's been a while since I've used this. At least a year. Come on straight away. I think I need to turn the ignition on now. Got a phone there to check the code. Let's turn it on. You can see engine management warning light will be on. There you go. Engine management warning light's not going off. If I turn the ignition on, the engine on I mean. See? Engine management warning lights on. Just need to have the ignition on for the code. Okay, let's see what the code is. Got a phone here so I can check. Okay, diagnostic, click OK. It's got one DTSC in the EQ, that's an error. So if I go down, read codes, current one code, P049B, what's that? Is it EGR, which it was last time? These Land Rover Discovery Sports, I bet it's EGR. Let's get the phone out. P9, just type it in. P9 49B. Okay, it's got something there. Exhaust gas circulation B flow insufficient. Is that exhaust gas? That's EGR. Look, looks like my car. It's not my car. Let's read it. Yeah, Chrome. Wants me to access it via Chrome just once. Okay, let's see what this says. Someone made a post on Facebook. Have got a JLR vehicle with 2-litre diesel. Discovery Sport. We are starting to see more diesel ignition with this fault code. The problem is usually a blocked EGR cooler filter rather than EGR valve. Some vehicles have had previous with split intercooler pipe or cars not following. It's important to resolve any restricted performance issue ASB as not to cause any consequential faults or excess carbon buildup inside the emission control. Replace the filter is a labour intensive and bad design. Yeah, tell me about it. So it's the EGR filter again. Less than 3,000 miles driven since I had the filter replaced. What a load of garbage these Land Rover Discovery Sports are. Basically, I've saved myself 150 quid going to a dealer and getting it done, and Backstreet Garage would have said the same for 60 quid. So I can scrap that. Yeah, I don't need to get the dealer or garage. This next peak's worked. Cost me 60 quid and it's read the code. But it shows you these Land Rover Discovery Sports are garbage. If you're thinking of getting one, don't. Look, I had the EGR valve replaced 3,000 miles ago and it's blocked again. Garbage. But the next peak did its job. 60 quid, that's what I would have paid the garage. What's this pending code? Same. Pending code is same. Permanent DTCs. Yeah, that's better, isn't it? Clearer. See, same. EGR garbage filter valve block. Erase code now, leave it. So it's not on, so it's not going to do any data stream. Well, I'll look at it anyway. AQ1. There's no data stream anyway because it's not switched on. Anyway, it's done the job. There's 60 quid it cost me. And it's told me exactly what it is. It's told me, and a quick Google brought up this page. Look. That looks like my it even shows you what's wrong. What a load of crap. Go on. EGR cooler. It says don't ignore it. Don't know what that is. It must be the filter. That's what they replace. It's a very... Oh, I think that's it. It is a very labour intensive. Tell me about it. Dealer would have charged me £1,000. These Land Rovers are very badly designed. You can't change a filter. Look, that car looks virtually identical to mine. There you go. Land Rover Discovery Sports have an EGR filter problem issue. They are very badly designed in that it's a labour intensive task to replace it. And this cheap next peak, 60 quid OBD2 readers confirmed it. Now I don't need to pay a dealer to have it done. Or, well, I wasn't going to. Backstreet guy would have charged me 60 quid. I'm going to contact him and tell him to get a quote. EGR filter. What a load of crap. I am very peeved. They just got it done 3,000 miles ago and it's still come up again. Discovery Sports are not remade Badly designed. It's a design issue. If there's an issue with the EGR filter, then they should be easy to replace like the air filter is. You shouldn't need to spend £1,000 to replace a filter because it's bad design. So there you have it. Now you know why you should not buy a Land Rover Discovery Sport. They're badly designed in terms of maintenance. This is why it's gonna cost you a fortune to maintain a Land Rover Discovery Sport, because they're badly designed when it comes to maintenance. They're not easy to maintain. I should be, if you got EGR filter problem, I should be able to do it myself, but no, I can't. It might only cost £12 a filter, but it's gonna cost £1,000 to change it.